The first is that the unexpected does happen. No matter how much you plan, at some point a disaster will strike. This has not been the first global disaster, and it certainly will not be the last. I'm not going to go into the specifics of what happened and why. Instead, let's focus on the aftermath. The impact was felt widespread for one simple reason: supply chains. Businesses being reliant on other businesses. It is a big risk and one you cannot easily mitigate unless you have siloed your business, with each having different supply chains that soon becomes costly and a headache to manage, plus your efficiency drops. Instead, have disaster plans which cover different scenarios. Can you restore backups, or are you reliant on a supplier? Do you have ways of short-term working? And the most important thing with these plans is that they are accessible. Ideally, printed copies kept with key team members that they can easily access in the office or at home. Having a plan won't click of a finger make it better, but it will reduce the impact because you know what to do instead of a sudden scramble. How do you build your plan? Know who your response team is with their contact details. Assess what happened and what type of incident it is. Respond with containment to stop any more damage. Resolve the cause. Recover back to normal. Do you need to report the incident? How will you communicate with your team, clients and suppliers? Review afterwards to improve the plan. And lastly, regularly review the plans in your business rhythm. Even if you have not been affected this time, you can still use the learnings of others to improve your own plans. I'm John from Westway IT, and I help businesses to be more productive and more secure so they can be awesome for their clients.